How to watch Netflix together long distance on phone. This is a step-by-step guide so you will be able to follow easily. Now first things first, you want to download this application from the Play Store called Teleparty. You can just go ahead and search it up inside right here. And you specifically want to get this application. Go ahead and open up the Teleparty app, and from here you want to click on Netflix. Wait for the application to load in, and you want to make sure that you log in your Netflix account. And right after logging in Netflix, you will be able to send a link that your friend will be able to join to. You can just go ahead and send that link through WhatsApp or any messaging app that you are using. If this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.